How to edit photos with Gemini. This tutorial shows you how to use Gemini's AI to edit and modify your photos directly on your Android device. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device. Tap the image icon or the plus button next to the message bar at the bottom to attach a photo. From there, select the photo you want to edit from your gallery and it will be uploaded into the chat. Once the photo is attached, type in what you want Gemini to do with it. You can ask it to remove a background, change the style, enhance the image, add or remove elements, or apply any other kind of edit you have in mind. Tap Send, and Gemini will process your request and generate an edited version of the photo. From here, review the result, and if you want any adjustments, simply type in a follow-up prompt describing what you'd like changed. Gemini understands natural language, so you can describe edits the same way you'd explain them to a person. Once you're happy with the result, tap and hold on the edited image and save it directly to your gallery. Keep in mind, Gemini's photo editing is AI-powered, meaning results can vary depending on the complexity of the edit. Simpler requests like background removal or style changes tend to come out cleaner than more detailed or specific edits. And that's it. If this guide helped you edit photos using Gemini, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.